And now to Los Angeles, where those wildfires continue to burn. Forecasters say that the worst of the weather conditions, those devastating Santa Ana winds, have eased, though less forceful winds could pick up later today. 5 wildfires are burning. One of them, only one, is under control. The death toll now rising to 5, and thousands of homes and businesses are gone. Here is CBS's Danya Bacchus.
A smoky sunrise in East Hollywood as Los Angeles continues to burn. More than 7,500 firefighters are battling 5 fires covering some 45 square miles, causing utter destruction.
Even as our crews are out there battling the fires, we have these ember casts, and the wind direction just changes it immediately. So, this is unlike anything that I've seen.
Late Wednesday, helicopters dropped water on the latest blaze, the Sunset Fire in the iconic Hollywood Hills. Many residents there fled. Love you! Straight into gridlock.
This is crazy. There's a fire right outside our car.
Fleeing the Palisades fire, Aaron Sampson got his elderly father-in-law to safety, ditching their ride and ultimately making their way on foot.
We got this, come on, turn around. As we're driving down, there's fires on both sides of the car. Just being stuck there, surrounded by fire, the policemen started running up the street. Get out of the car, get out of the car.
This staging area for the Palisades fire is helping to manage resources battling this blaze, and red flag warnings will continue into Friday. Beachfront homes in the celebrity enclave of Malibu are also wiped out. Paris Hilton posted on social media her home there is gone. This home, reportedly belonging to actors Adam Brody and Leighton Meester, is a pile of ashes. Fire officials warn this will be a long fight.
We'll remain here until we get full 100% containment of this.
Crews are hoping to gain ground on the flames when the winds die down Friday. Many companies like Uber, Lyft, and Airbnb are now offering free or discounted services to those impacted by the fires. One other thing officials are extremely concerned about: looters. They're saying people are taking advantage of the evacuation orders. Multiple people have been arrested. Reporting from Los Angeles, I'm Danya Bacchus. Back to you.
All right, Danya, thank you. A lot of chaos out there.